This owner was trying to teach his kittens how to drink milk from a bowl, but they were completely confused. Some kept stepping right into the milk, while others somehow managed to splash it all over their faces. Realizing it wasn't working, he brought in their mom so they could learn by watching her. Two of the kittens picked it up quickly and started drinking the right way. But this little kitten just wouldn't get it. He kept standing with his paws in the milk, chewing on the edge of the bowl like that was the lesson. And whenever the owner tried to help, he only made tiny bubbles with his nose. If you think he's adorable, leave a like.